everyone, I am Vandana and you are watching my YouTube channel My Happiness LOE. As you know that we have successfully completed the 1000 subscribers.
Amazing!
Yes, we are now the family of more than 1000 subscribers. So on this occasion, first of all, I am giving you all a big gratitude to everyone that you always support me, help me to grow. Okay, so I am not going to let you go. That's why I come with a most important topic which everyone needed, that is we are going to lose weight with law of attraction. So weight loss is all about your mindset, so get into your head in this clip. Okay, in this video we learn how the law of attraction can help you to lose weight once and for all, along with a 5 method to reach your goal weight and feel amazing. First and foremost question is that what is law of attraction? If you are new in law of attraction, so you should know about the law of attraction first. So the law of attraction is the most powerful law in the universe. It is a principle that like attract like. Basically what you focus on, put your energy into, attract and ultimately manifest. Okay, so how the law of attraction can help you to lose weight? As with any weight loss program, it is not realistic to expect to lose tremendous amount of weight overnight. This method involves using positive thinking to support your weight loss goal. Okay, it means this method involves most importantly positive thinking to support your weight loss goal. That is simple. No, now here are 5 ways the law of attraction can help you to your goal. First one is, why do you want to lose weight? That is, what is the reason to lose your weight? So figuring out why you want to achieve a certain goal play an important or huge role in the law of attraction. The reason being, you must have clear aim in your mind to manifest your ultimate desire. You understand? So why you want to, or so why do you want to lose weight? If the answer for that is you want to look like somebody else, you want to look like a heroine, or you want to look like something else, whatever the reason. But in that case, your starting place is absolutely negative. Actually, you started from most negative point of view. Okay, so the key to successful weight loss should be a positive. So the key to successful weight loss is positive starting point. As any goal you want to set for yourself, you should want to lose weight out of self-respect and personal growth. Some positive goals are such as wanting to be a more healthy for your kids or your family. Yeah, is it this real reason and positive reason? And you wanting to look better in general, and you wanted to achieve something or you can run for 10 kilometers or something else. So no matter the starting goal, it must come from the place of pure positivity in order to be a successful. Okay, you understand what is the your reason should be a positive. Next point is love yourself. Manifest weight loss is such a easier when you develop a positive attitude with your current body. Yes, you have to develop the positive attitude with a current body. So the positive thinking for weight loss involve strengthening your self-esteem and being grateful for what you are able to do right now. मतलब आप जैसे भी हो, अभी जितने भी मोटे हो या अनहेल्दी हो, जैसे भी हो, आप उसको पसंद करते हो, खुद को अपने आप के लिए गलत वर्ड नहीं यूज करते हो. इट मीन्स सेल्फ लव इंक्लूड द फॉलोइंग्स. मैं अभी आपको बहुत सारे सेल्फ लव के वो बताने वाली हूँ. ठीक है, ट्रीट योर बॉडी नाइसली बाय ईटिंग नरिश फूड एंड अलाउइंग योरसेल्फ एन एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ स्लीप एवरी नाइट. मेक अ लिस्ट of the top 10 wonderful thing your body can do, including the thing you may sometimes take for granted. So stop comparing yourself with the other person or people. First of all, the most important thing for self-love is you have to don't compare yourself with anybody. If you you want to know more about the self-love technique, then please comment down in the comment section. I will make separate video on it. Okay. Now come to the third point. Change your relationship with the food. With any weight loss program, what you feed your body is crucial and determines the majority of your weight loss journey. Start paying attention to how you feel when you are eating and how you might be able to change what make you feel bad. Learn to make healthy and wholesome food for your choice while replacing negative food habit with a positive one. For example, if you go out for the restaurant, eat half a plate of your food and add in it some amount of salad, okay? Instead of fries or anything, cold drink in that case, okay? You add some amount of salad. By replacing negative habit with positive ones, you will. In terms of feel and in think of positive about the food. So never talk about negative about फूड दैट ये खाने से मुझे नुकसान हो जाएगा, ये खाने से पेट दर्द होता है, इसको खाने से मोटे हो जाते हैं, इसको खाने से गैस बनती है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, सो डोंट टॉक अबाउट द नेगेटिव टॉक्स अबाउट फूड एंड ऑलवेज डोंट फील गिल्ट इफ यू ईट इन समथिंग दैट हैज मोर कैलोरीज. ओके, so law of attraction work in your favor when you radiate positive energy like me. Okay, so next point is creative visualization meditation. Okay, creative visualization is a technique that requires the use of visualization what you want and experiencing the emotion and feeling you would have if it were your reality. कैसा आपको फील होगा जब वो चीज आपके पास रियलिटी में होगा, वो फीलिंग को फील करना, विजुअलाइज करना. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल you spend 10 to 15 minutes sitting in the silence to imagine yourself as your desire to be, जैसा आप चाहते हो. Create a clear or conscious picture of yourself at the end of your weight loss journey. कैसे आप एंड में आप चाहते हो कि मैं 50 kg का दिखूं या दिखूं, तो मैं कैसा दिखूंगा वैसा एक क्रिएट करिए, इमेजिन करिए. ठीक है, खुद को. Then allow the feeling of confidence and the health flow to you easily and effortlessly. Imagine that, visualize that. So that is creative visualization is a powerful tool when practicing law of attraction. This is very important in case of law of attraction. Creative visualization is very important. So if you want to know more about the creative visualization, then write visualization in the comment section. I will make separate video on it also. Okay. Next and the final method or way is that weight loss affirmation, which is my favorite. I repeat weight loss affirmation daily and repeatedly. Before going to the complete video, I want to tell you that after my second baby, I lose weight in tremendous way. Lose weight automatically through the law of attraction by following these method. I lose that much amount of weight, at least 12 to 13 kg in a month. Automatically. I know it is not healthy, but 10 kg is after operation. That is happened during the delivery. That is C-section, and the remaining 5 to 6 kg, which is overweight for me, are automatically removed or automatically lose from my body by through law of attraction. I have never do heavy exercise, not even do tough diet. In my case, the affirmation play a most important role in that case. Okay, in my case, come to that. Affirmations are basically a phrase that we say or think repeatedly to ourselves. Affirmation can be a positive or the negative. Negative affirmation make you feel bad about yourself, while the positive affirmation make you feel good and empowering. Isn't it? It feels amazing when you repeat positive affirmation on the particular duration and repeat in 24 hours. Okay, so I am noting down here some of affirmation, that is repeat it with a happy mood and with an amazing energy. Okay, let's start. Okay, I am strong, confident, happy with my body. I am strong, confident and happy with my body. I am improving my physical health suddenly lose more weight. I release myself from the guilt of negativity and shame around foods. Okay, आपको जितनी भी गिल्ट्स होती है रिलेटेड फूड से उसको भी आपको रिलीज करना है, आपको रिलीज करना है. दैट इज आई रिलीज माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम द गिल्ट, नेगेटिविटी एंड शेम अराउंड फूड. I take care of my body every day. I take care of my body every day. I take care of my body every day. There is no need to overeat as I can manage my emotion in healthy way. So there is no need to overeat as I can manage my emotion in healthy way. I feel love and gratitude. I feel love and gratitude towards my body for all it can do. Okay, it is easy for me to lose weight and improve my health. I love, okay, I love, expect and care for my body no matter what I look like. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता मैं कैसी दिख रही हूँ, कैसी हूँ, मैं बस अपने से प्यार करती हूँ, एक्सेप्ट करती हूँ, केयर करती हूँ अपने आप को, और कोई क्या कहता है मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I can do anything I set my mind to. If I set mine to, okay, my body is losing weight right now. अब अपनी बॉडी को आपको कमांड देना है. My body losing weight right now. My body losing weight right now. I am growing and changing. I am growing and changing to become who I was always meant to be. I am growing and changing. जो भी मैं बनना चाहती हूँ मैं उसकी तरफ बढ़ रही हूँ, ग्रो कर रही हूँ, है ना. I deserve to feel good about myself and my body. I deserve to feel good about myself and my body. So say this affirmation multiple times in a day with feeling. The feeling you would experience if these phrases were your reality. Okay, eventually you will revert your mind to take this thought and you will genuinely feel this type of feeling. It's really work. Do it for yourself right now. I have started it again because from the last 2-3 months I left all these things, but right now from the month of October I'm going to start weight loss, my journey of my weight loss through law of attraction. You can see the changes in my body in the video. Okay, so the final thought is that any weight loss journey you begin should start with a positive and successful mindset. Use the law of attraction to set yourself up with a weight loss success. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and bye bye.